Hey fans! So once again we are back in my garage, and here is the complete, well almost complete set of K-bells that I have. I have one more 3A bell coming in, but it's missing a diffuser ring, so I'm going to have to take a look at that first before I test blow it. But yep, so those 3 bells I was talking about came in. So we're going to do another frequency test today. Just plain and simple, nothing complicated. So we got the two 1Ls, they're both one piece 1Ls. We got the 1, 2, the new 2, straight 3, 3A, straight 4, 4A, new 4, and the two 5s, and the new 5 all the way on the right. So, have it set up. I have my other camera there ready to record. I'm going to put this camera into that slot and pole and turn on the tuning app so you can see the frequency that each trumpet blows. I'll make sure to actually use the setting that shows the actual frequency and numbers this time. I know last time was the first time I did this, and I found that tab after I recorded the video. So just sit back and enjoy. Alright, so we're going to start all the way down here with the 1L. There we go. Second 1L. The 1 bell. And recharge. New number 2 should be about the same. Let's see. Start with the 3A. We'll do the 3. Do the 4A. Four. New number 4. tough holding these in place. Want to vibrate out of place on you. All right, and then we got the 5 bells, 2 5 bells. Still got enough here. And the new one. Difference is so minute. Back to the 1. See, it's not a perfect octave. Something's off there. Well, now I'm just running out of air, so. Well, alright, there you have it. Hopefully the frequency displayed like it was supposed to on the screen. But yeah, so thanks for watching. I can't wait to put a 5 chime back together on this manifold. Probably going to put a 1L horn together first, since I've not actually blown a 1L horn with this manifold yet. So, yeah, till next time, see ya!